Someone dying.
Who is that?
Someone's dying.
That's...
Who's dying? Call.
You?
Hulk.
Did you do that?
Oh,
Oh, I saw the silver.
That's Chris.
Chris.
Yeah. Oh! That's Chris. That's Chris.
Chris Pratt.
Yeah, that's Pratt. Good call.
That's another Chris photo, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, they have very similar bodies. Interesting.
Same name.
That's Evans. That's your movie.
Evans.
That's Evans.
Evans. Because it's just
Yeah.
from the movie.
Oh,
Yes,
that's
that
Buck Nice.
silver
That's
thing.
Buck Nasty right there. That's Buck Nasty, baby. Yo, Buck Nasty.
Well, I mean,
Sebastian, the arm.
the arm kind of gives
Yeah.
him.
That's
The
Hemsworth.
weird nipple. Hemsworth. Hemsworth.
That's
Thor.
Thor. I can guess that one.
Dave
That's
Bautista.
Batista. That's Batista. He's massive. God.
Isn't
That's
that dude from
Guardians?
Guardians?
That's Paul Rudd.
Who is that? Bettany? Whoa,
That's been working
right.
out.
Obviously, he never saw my suit. All he has is spandex.
If I could have any Avengers show up in my movie,